This 2019 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Elite 34RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. This used Forest River is 39 feet 4 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 4, leveling jacks, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, LP detector, air conditioning, awning, oven, microwave, CO detector, slide-out, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Elite 34RL is 11,129 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc., visit RVUSA.com.